going to do is take sweet potatoes or yams, peel them up, put them in to boil since you all said you liked them. And we're going to make it like a mashed potato. And we're going to take one of these, the broccoli and cauliflower is in this one, but this is totally interchangeable. You can use fresh, you can use frozen, you don't have to use broccoli, you can use green beans. It's an imitation version of the green bean casserole you make without the deep fried onions on the top. So we're going to put instead these yams and make it almost like a shepherd's pie on top. We're going to sprinkle cheese on top of it so that it'll get a little bubbly and kind of reminiscent of the crunchy onions, but without the bad stuff.